Hi everyone, this is the last part of our episode 8, and in this video we will be covering we will be fixing this radio button. I would like to view this radio button in a separate line, like godlike is here and the human and newbie is all around here downside. Also the checkbox, we will fix that. And next we'll be styling our submit button, and then final part will be styling our body. So let's start. First, in the HTML, we already put a class name for this radio button and checkbox. The class is inline, so we put here inline, we call that class here, and then to solve this need to put inline block, so it's not been solved. And one thing is the radio button in the word is not aligned, so we will be having a vertical align middle, so they're aligned. The only to solve this one, we will go back to our HTML and we will try to put break element here. So that's what I like. It needs to be on the downside. So the solution is line break. So that is more like it. And the next one is in the checkbox. So we need to add line break also. As you can see, it works perfectly. And our next task is to design the submit button. For the submit button, we need to put a class here so that we can manipulate this one, submit. And we will go down in the CSS submit button. For the submit button, we will be putting a margin of 0, then font size will be 1.25 rem. Display will be center. It's okay, it's already center. Padding 20 pixels, 0. And then background color, we will use a hashtag 37AF. It needs to be center. Display center. Padding button, font weight, need to add a font weight bold. And then color inherit, border radius 5 pixels, and then cursor pointer. Next, text align center, height 30 pixels. Alright, padding is a little bit off. As you can see, our problem is it overlaps to our like margin, imaginary margin. So we need to cut this one, and I don't know how to cut that. I think we need to put margin. So as you can see, we already make a progress. It move. So we will just manipulate that 1.51. Okay, that's right. And in the other side will be margin right. We will also put a 1 rem, 2 rem, no, 5. Why? I think it's for the width 50%. We will just manipulate this one. 90, 100, no, 95, 97. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, this is our form. The submit button is aligned to all our text box, and then we are done in our text button. This is the final text button. And then we will go to our body. We will be styling our body. We will need to have a body. For the body, just need a width of 100%. That's for the body. Height will be 100 view VH. That's for the height. Next margin will be 0. And then color will be F5, F6, F7. That's for the color. And background color will be tag 1B32. That's for the background color. Next is we need to add a body before. Then here content. Next position fixed. Next top is 0. Next is left is also 0. Next is height is 100%. Width will be 100%. Next Z index -1. Background color is this one. Background image will be this one. And then background size will be cover. Background repeat, no repeat. Next is background position will be center. And that is it. That will be our final survey form. As you can see in our final survey form, and this is our finished product of our simple survey form project, and hope you learn from this. I am also learning from this a lot, and thank you for watching, and see you soon. Keep learning.